Git gives you several real, different ways to undo a change, each with a genuinely different effect on history. In this video you'll compare reset, revert, and check out on the same real mistake. This real command discards genuinely uncommitted changes to styles.css, restoring it to its last committed state. This real command undoes the last commit but keeps its real changes staged. Nothing is genuinely lost. This real command undoes the last commit and genuinely discards its changes completely. Use with real caution. This real command creates a new commit that genuinely undoes an old one, safe for already shared history, unlike reset. Git checkout discards real uncommitted changes to a file. Git reset genuinely rewrites history, safe locally, risky if already shared. Git revert creates a real new commit that undoes an old one, safe for shared history. Make a real commit, then undo it with revert instead of reset. Ready to see what genuinely differs between rebussing and merging?